Welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix a Samson game controller not working or gamepad not working issue. So the very first method is to restart your PC. For that, click on Windows icon, click on power and then select restart. So this will restart your PC. After your PC restarts, launch the game and check whether gamepad or controller is working or not. If not, next is to update controller drivers. For that, first you need to connect your PC and controller. After that, go to the Windows search for device manager. Now expand human interface devices, select your controller, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatic level drivers. So this will check and update your controller drivers. After that, try to launch the game and check. Next is to enable or disable Steam input. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game. Now right click on it, click on properties. Now click on controller and here select enable Steam input and then check if it's working. If not, again come back, select disable Steam input and then check whether controller is working or not. But if the issue still continues, again come back, select use default settings and move to the next method. Next is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties, click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. So after verifying the game files, launch it and then check whether controller is working or not. Next solution is to update Windows. For that, go to the Windows search for settings. After that, click on Windows Update, click on check for updates and wait for some time. If there is any update available, update your Windows to the latest version and then check whether gamepad or controller is working or not on Samsung game. Next is to remove controller and add it again. So for that, go to the Windows search for settings. Now click on Bluetooth and devices. Here your controller will be added. You have to remove it. For that, click on three dot icon, click on remove device. Once you have done this, restart your PC and then again go to settings, click on Bluetooth and devices. Click on add a device, click on everything else, add your controller to here and after that check whether gamepad or controller is working or not. If not, next is to check for game updates. So you must check if there is any update available for the game. After updating the game, try to launch it and then check. So you will be able to see an update option available over here. If yes, update your game and after that check if the gamepad or controller not working issue is resolved or not. Next is to install DS4 Windows tool. For that, you have to search for DS4 Windows tool in Google, or you can simply go through the link already provided in the description and just open it in your browser. After the website opens, here you have to click on download option and then go below and again click on download option. Now after downloading DS4 Windows tool, you have to first install it and after that connect your controller and update it. After that, launch Samson game and then check for the error if it is resolved or not. So these are few solutions to fix Samson gamepad or controller not working issue. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.